Hi, Squirrel. How are you? You found a nut. And you're enjoying that. This is so absolutely peaceful watching our squirrel eat its nut, get its nutrition for today. It's resting so calmly in the tree, just perched beautifully with the shade, little breeze, around 80 degrees right now. And to be filming and hearing the squirrel eat its nut, hearing the noise, the cracking, seeing it this close up, as calm as can be, for I am in its backyard. This is its home. Like viewing through a window. Simply beautiful. Bringing much joy to me, to my day, calmness. Hearing the birds in the background. Hearing the background music that I didn't add to the video is so very cool. It's just the right volume. Hearing the birds and knowing, folks, you're watching a real video. This isn't AI content. I've captured this for all of you viewers. Outdoors, a reminder to get outdoors and just take in the weather, take in the activities around, the nature, using your eyes if you can, your ears to hear any smells. Thinking how soft it would be if you could actually pet the squirrel. And when you need to find that calmness, sometimes it's just right underneath your nose in your backyard or at a local park. Looks like mealtime is over. And he's gonna come, oh, he dropped it, so he's gonna come down and get the rest. All right, folks, I leave you with that. Thank you again for watching my channel. Take care. Blessings.